Hey everyone, today we're checking out the CAMPINGMOON outdoor grill plate made from durable 304 stainless steel. This extra thick grill plate measures approximately 8.3 by 5.5 inches and weighs about 32.8 ounces, making it sturdy and easy to handle. It comes with a convenient handle and a canvas storage case for easy transport and storage. The high-quality stainless steel construction means it resists rust, accidental impacts, and sudden temperature changes without breaking. Unlike cast iron, this grill plate requires no seasoning before use, saving you time and effort. Its sleek, luxurious feel makes it perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Whether you're camping or grilling in your backyard, this grill plate is built to last and perform. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.